Yeah, so SS and EE are attached to the alternate chest. So I think that's where we're going to start. But you know what we're going to do? We want to leave behind most of these. But if you leave behind all of them, it's a complicated problem with the program. If you hit leave all, right, all of the parents in all of these, what they're attached to is forgotten because they all drop off the list, right? Because the list is dynamically updated. So in short, we're going to go through here and we're going to select everything we don't want and deselect everything we do want. I think all these SDSs, HDRs, RDSs, right? I'm guessing that's mostly what we want. We determined up here that SS and EE are the two wings. I guess maybe that's like south and east, you know? East, right? What, east? No, I don't know. Okay, south to east, right? So SDS, SDR, RDS, SDS. Not even sure what that one is. Let me just jump around on here. Get these wings. It probably would have been easier to use normal Demon Hunter because Illidan's got 2 sets of wings. You gotta watch out, right? Normal Demon Hunter, you wouldn't have distractor things called wings, right? In here, there's like, where was that one? Left wing, right wing. See, those are from Illidan's wings that the Illidan has, not the alternate ones. We're gonna use the alternate ones because they look cool. So left wing, right wing, yeah, that stuff. We don't want that stuff. All right, so I think I edited an Illidan model once before, and I'm pretty sure all the ERs and all the SDSs are what we want. I haven't made this particular type of edit at all. You know, like I said, this is the first time I'm using the reassign matrix tool, but the having just written it, these wings, I modded these wings once before for a model I was making. So the ERs and the SDSs. And I'm gonna make another cursory check of this thing, make sure there's no ERs and SDSs. If you leave in a couple of these that you don't actually want, you could probably delete them later or something like that. I haven't written a delete function, but you know, if you're pretty smart, you can figure it out. See these SDSs. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna delete everything except that, right? Do not import on all this stuff. You see the program lags a little bit while it updates all the rest of the program, so that you won't ever have it reference to something that you're not importing. It's actually one of the longest lag spikes of updating I've had in a while. Alright, there we go. And these two that were attached to the chest alternate, right? The chest alternate no longer exists. So what we're going to do is we're going to go each of them. We're going to say attach them to the chest that exists in the Illidan with Eridar motion. So that's the Eridar chest, right? Bone chest of the Eridar. Which means that when the Eridar's chest moves, the wings of Illidan will move. That's really crucial right there. Illidan's wings are now parented to Eridar chest. Alright. Stuff, these Illidan sounds, Illidan colliders, Illidan. I mean, we already imported a lot of these attachment-y things, so I don't think we need any of these. So just leave all on all these objects. Goodbye. And visibility is all set for us. It's already done, right? We're not importing any new geometry. All this stuff is left behind, so visibility doesn't really matter. You can see here that the orange stuff, that's the accidental. It displays textures of both models automatically on accident, even if you're not importing them. I'll probably fix that later, but right now, that's not a very crucial glitch. It doesn't, like, if I come in here and I set this one, like, to use Blizz Particle, that doesn't change anything, right? It sets the visibility on the second model inside of the program's memory before then deleting the second model when you click finish, so that really doesn't cause a problem. Alright, I would jump back to Illidan with Eridar motion, and we have all these SDS, RDS points imported. I don't know one versus the other of what they are, which is quite the challenge, you know what I mean? So we're gonna come in here and we're gonna say, so it's that SS and EE. Yeah, so I'm thinking Illidan's a little bit bigger, or like the other Illidan Evil's a little bit bigger than our Illidan we're working on right here. So we're gonna say uneditable, right? We want to have these things, we're not gonna mess up the shape. We're just gonna be moving these points, and we're gonna get these SDSs and RDSs. We're gonna grab them all, and all these upper ones. We're going to drag them with move command. Oh, whoop, I missed some. Alright, they're selected. We're going to drag them with move command on down here. And you can see, I kind of messed this up. These wings are a little bit different shapes. So, just for good measure, how about I just grab these outer ones and move them up here, because I don't know, whatever that's gonna do. It sounds pretty good. Cool. Now we're gonna go back to Illidan, and we're gonna display all of them at once, because that's what we did before. You know, this back thing, I'm gonna mess with that later because it's not very good. And grab this wing. There you go. Got the old wing. So starting with this left wing here, let's just say we're gonna put it all on. What was it? Reassign to. Got the SDSs and the RDSs, and this window needs to be bigger, and you can't change the size. It's really frustrating. I'll figure that out later. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna go make this window bigger. That's really stupid. All right. We're gonna save Illidan right now. Don't like it the way it is, and then we're gonna close this program. We're not gonna save Evil Illidan. We don't care about Evil Illidan. We're gonna jump back to my code here. Don't worry about the stuff. This isn't part of the tutorial. It's just me making life better for everybody in the whole world who uses this software. Preferred size, this will pop up. It's gonna be a little bit bigger. Alright, there we go. Should have a changeable size, and it doesn't, and it's frustrating, and I'll fix that later. Loading. Finished. Alright. There we go. I'm gonna bring the program back up, and it's gonna be fixed. Cross your thumbs. Cross your thumbs, friends. It's not working. Why is it not working? What's up with the program? Yeah, you should reset the whole program. Alright, reset. Don't worry about this stuff. I'm gonna probably delete this out of the video. What's wrong? This computer's going really phenomenally slow. But there you have it. Alright, so we got this here. I wonder how big is the movies folder. 100 gigabytes. I wonder how much of that is new. Coming from right now. Alright, well, anyway, so we're gonna go back to Illidan. We really like Illidan, right? And animating Illidan. Oh man, Illidan with Eridar motion. Still have all of our SDSs, RDSs in them, right? SDS, RDS. We still got these ones moved out here, right? You know, it's the beauty of saving things. Always save your work before you close it. I'm gonna select up. I'm gonna start on this wing instead. I'm in a good mood for this wing over here. I'm gonna get these wings points selected up. Alright, let's put this one on, which is left and which is right? I really don't know. You know what? Oh, let's find out. We're gonna reassign this matrix to, oh, I expanded the wrong window. Alright, sorry, I'm back. As I was saying, I expanded the wrong window, and I like the ability to see things, so I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna expand the other windows. So by the time you get this program, these windows will probably be expanded. Alright, sounding good there. Gonna set that up. Just good to go. Oh, blimey, I didn't save, right? Blimey, yeah, blimey. You have no idea what country I'm coming from in the world. Alright, animating Illidan with Eridar motion. Here we go. Expand this that way, expand this way. There you go. You got Illidan again. Like we said, we don't want to edit the glow. Glow is fine. Glow looks really glowy. Got that wing. We can get this other wing too. I got that wing and that wing and that wing and all this stuff in here. Whatever this is, I don't even know. Just selecting Illidan's wings, right? Alright, and we got some of his leg down there, so it's not so good. Okay, we're gonna reassign this now. Now this is more like it. See, you can see this big old space. Oh man, I like this space. Alright, which of these is on the left? 30 SS, 31 EE. I really don't know. There's a way to figure this out. You know what? You can use my program to figure this out. It takes a little bit. Alright.